What have you learned from Mukesh Ambani? Yes, that's the biggest question I want to ask you in this video. What have you learned from Mukesh Ambani in recent times? वैसे तो मुकेश अंबानी जी के पास से सीखने का काफी कुछ है. He is the richest man in Asia. Of course, he is a visionary man. There is a lot to learn. But today, I want to discuss few points that I liked a lot, and that is what I'm going to discuss in this very short video. कुछ टाइम पहले मुकेश अंबानी जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था that data is the new crude और data is the next crude. तो वहां से उन्होंने जियो की शुरुआत की. अब सबसे बड़ा जो लर्निंग हमें मुकेश अंबानी जी से यहाँ पे सीखने को मिलता है वो कि when he started off with Jio, of course at that time also he was the wealthiest man of India. He was richest. उसको कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं थी कि वो डाइवर्सिफाई करके एक नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करे, उसमें इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करे. बट द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट is to be learned from Mukesh Ambani is, of course, he is futuristic, he is visionary, but he was ready and he was open to diversify. Right? He diversified and he developed Jio. Second thing is, he invested huge money in Jio. He invested huge money. He is richest man, he has money, that's all a second thing. But he was ready to invest a large sum, a huge sum on a business opportunity. That is the second learning that we can have. Of course, I will relate these learnings with our normal life also. So watch this video till end and you will get a lot of insights about how you can, be wealthy in coming time. So keep watching this video till end. I'm going to share some amazing lessons that I have learned and I have implemented in my life. Okay. So first, he was ready to diversify. Second, he was ready to invest. Now, फिर हमने लॉकडाउन के दरमियान देखा जब पेट्रोल की डिमांड डाउन जाने लगी बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन. देयर वाज ऑलमोस्ट 50 डेज ऑफ लॉकडाउन, मोर देन 50 डेज ऑफ लॉकडाउन इन इंडिया. पेट्रोल की डिमांड, डीजल की डिमांड काफी डाउन थी. सो ऑफ कोर्स रिलायंस वाज गोइंग टू हिट. बट आपको पता होगा उस दौरान भी मुकेश अंबानी की वेल्थ वाज गोइंग अप एंड अप, एंड at one time he was 5th or 6th richest man on this planet because of that diversification. Jio में investors were ready to invest. He was raising money and he became debt free by that amount. And now, even today when I am recording this video, वो Jio से भी happy नहीं है. He is investing into Reliance Retail. So he is continuously diversifying the business. He is investing into new opportunities, and that is why he is probably the wealthiest man of India. So his life teaches us so many lessons. Now, what can we do एज अ कॉमन मैन? अब काफी लोग इस वीडियो को आगे नहीं देखेंगे. वो कहेंगे कि यार अमित, मुकेश अंबानी तो रिचेस्ट था, उसके पास इतने रिसोर्सेज थे, दैट इज व्हाई ही कुड डाइवर्सिफाई, हमारे काम का नहीं है. देखो, पहली बात, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज अ नीड ऑफ एन आवर. यू मस्ट हैव अ मल्टीपल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड ऑल, बट या कोविड, कोरोना, लॉकडाउन, इसने हमारी लाइफ में इतनी अनसर्टेनिटीज पैदा कर दी है. We never know when our business will be gone. हमें पता नहीं है कब हमारी जॉब चली जाएगी. Every sector is under risk. You have to accept it. Unless you are a government servant, everybody is at risk. इन हालातों में, if you love your family, if you want to give that good lifestyles to your family, multiple source of income develop करना ही होगा. It's a need of an hour. It is not a choice. It's a need of an hour. So first thing is, अगर आप जॉब में हो, अगर आप बिजनेस में हो, you should be ready to diversify. आपको देखना होगा कि आपका पैशन क्या है. And not importantly, हम हमेशा कहते हैं follow your passion. ना, मैं उस बात को नहीं मानता हूं कि follow your passion. Do not follow your passion if it cannot be monetized. Right? At the end, you should be able to monetize your passion. या पैशन अलग बात होती है, हॉबीज अलग बात होती है. You might have hobbies, you follow it, you enjoy it, I don't mind. But जहां तक पैशन का सवाल है, you must be having some passion. You have to ask yourself a question: what is that one skill? What is my passion that I can monetize? Like if I talk about myself, I have a job, I'm teaching, it's going great. But I was always passionate about stock market. I learned. Even this is what I have learned from Mukesh Ambani and Robert Kiyosaki and all the great mentors I have got. you should be ready to invest. I invested more than 2 lakh rupees in learning stock market. I went to various cities, took the training, and I knew that this is something that I can monetize. Of course, I am trading and I am making good money. You can see the screenshot that I am sharing on my social medias. But apart from that, sharing that skills, sharing that knowledge of stock market has given me more than 1 million in the last 1 year. That is where, diversification comes into picture. And because of that extra 1 million that I have got in past 1 year, I have been able to, live the life that I have always wanted. That extra money will always give you more support, my friend. And somebody always says, I don't love money. I don't want to run behind money. It is not always about money, my dear friend. And please let me tell you, दुनिया में हर एक अच्छे काम के लिए भी ना you need money. आप पैसों से किसी भूखे इंसान को खिला सकते हो. मंदिर जाने के लिए भी you need money, you need funds, because मंदिर के भी maintenance cost होते हैं. So every good thing in this world need money. So don't think that money is bad, I don't want to run behind money. No, money, you can do a lot of good things from money. Right? And I'm trying to do that. Right? And even recently. So that is one. I diversified. I was ready to invest. And even right now, just few days back, I have started a new business. काफी लोग ये कहते हैं कि to start a new business, you need a big capital, you need a big money. No, it is not that way. You need to have a vision. You will get a lot of opportunities in this world where you can start and grow your income exponentially with just minimum investment. I have started with one. If you are interested, just do contact me. My contact details are in the description or in the comment section. Right? So this is what I had to share about learnings from Mukesh Ambani. My friends, please start developing multiple sources of income. It is must for security of you and your family. Second, be ready to invest. काफी लोग ना हमें ये कहते हैं, because I have got my online stock market courses, as I just said, that when I say that 20,000, they say, okay, I don't want to invest 20,000, I want to earn, but I don't want to give you 20,000. My friend, how can you earn without investing? If you are not ready to learn, how will you earn? You should be open to investments. And now, one more thing that I would like to clarify in this video is, many people will tell me, even many people tell me, Amit, this is not the right time to spend money. This is not the right time to invest money. हम savings करके रखे, पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा. और even when I am recording these videos, काफी लोग डर गए हैं कि again one more lockdown is getting imposed. अहमदाबाद में तो night curfew already आ चुका है. So this is time to save. Let me save some money. It will help me. My dear friend, you can never survive with the saving. Let me tell you. Savings से कितने दिन, कितने महीने चलाओ? One day your savings will be vanished. So it obviously makes more sense to invest that saving somewhere. And the best investment is investment in learning. अगर आप उसको FD में रखोगे, stock market में रखोगे, you will get a minimum return. Like if I would have invested my 2 lakh rupees somewhere in stock market or in FDs, it would have never given me 1 million rupee in a year. But I invested in myself, I upgraded myself, I learned new skills, I monetized that skill, and that has given me more than 1 million in a year. Right? I hope you would have loved this video. Be ready to diversify. If you are looking for a business opportunity, do connect with me. If you want to learn stock market, the link to my courses are in the description or in the comment section if you are watching this video on FB or Insta. But my friend, please start diversifying. It is need of an hour. I hope you would have loved the video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.